Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the mature content restricted mode on your YouTube application on your Android phone. Now this is very easy to do. Let's go on over to YouTube right now and open this up. Then you can see your profile in the bottom right. Just select this. Then go to the top right to settings. Then go to where it says general. And then at the bottom, we have restricted mode. So this will be the 18 plus mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this application. So you got to go to your computer, your other phone, your tablet, etc., and make sure restricted mode right here is turned off. It's not blue, and then this will be completely disabled. And then you should be able to watch mature content 18 plus on your YouTube account. Just make sure your YouTube account is old enough, otherwise you probably won't be able to watch stuff. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.